You've heard about the new Google Pixel 8 Pro, but let's delve deeper into the untold story. For years, despite their undeniable quality, Pixel phones often played second fiddle to powerhouses like Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, primarily due to the perceived lack of pro photo and video features. Many, including myself, gravitated towards alternatives. However, the Pixel 8 Pro could be the game changer we've all been waiting for. With its introduction, the Pixel series no longer just flirts with photography. It's fully committed. Yes, the Pixel Pro 7 made a splash, but in reality, it couldn't quite overshadow its rivals in all aspects. The Pixel 8 Pro, equipped with Google AI Magic and powered by the impressive Tensor G3 chip, isn't just about capturing sharper photos. This phone anticipates your needs. It intelligently screens calls, enhances voice clarity, and does so much more. And to all the videographers out there, rejoice! The Pixel 8 Pro brings to the table manual controls and cutting-edge editing tools that rival features in Adobe Photoshop and Premiere. Now, this phone is undoubtedly gearing up to compete with giants like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Galaxy S23 Ultra. But like all tech, it has its quirks. Some choices, like the inclusion of a new temperature sensor, are still up for debate. The Google Pixel 8 Pro has made a bold entrance. The real question now, will it convince you to join Team Pixel? Exciting news for all tech enthusiasts out there. When you pre-order the new Google Pixel 8 Pro, you'll receive the Pixel Watch 2 absolutely free. That's not all. If you opt to pre-order the new Google Pixel 8, you'll be treated to the Pixel Buds Pro, also free. If these deals sound tempting, and trust me, they are, find the links to both in the description below. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer. Let's talk design evolution with Google's Pixel series. Remember the Pixel 6 with its two-toned back and slightly questionable glass camera band? While it has its charm, it wasn't my cup of tea. Then came the Google Pixel 7 Pro. It was a breath of fresh air, simplifying to a single color rear and introducing a sleek metal camera band. Fast forward to today, the Google Pixel 8 Pro has truly refined its aesthetic. The color palette has expanded with some delightful additions. Bay, a serene sky blue, has caught my eye. But for those looking for classics, there's Obsidian, a solid black, and Porcelain, a subtle off-white. And given the phone's dust and water resistance, IP-rated 68, the Bay moniker seems fitting, doesn't it? What's encapsulating this beauty? The formidable Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Paired with a polished aluminum frame that seamlessly curves, the phone feels tailor-made for the hand. While the sides gently arc, the screen remains refreshingly flat, a design decision I wholly appreciate. There's familiarity in the button placement, the trusty USB-C charge port at the bottom, and while embracing eSIM, there's still a space for a traditional nano SIM. The metal band is not just a style statement, but a functional hub, housing the triple camera setup, flash, and a peculiar newcomer, the temperature sensor. Now, a phone doubling as a thermometer might sound a tad futuristic, but in practice, point, launch the Temp app, click, and voila, you have the surface temperature. Whether you're gauging the chill of a drink or the warmth of your tea, it's intuitive and responsive. Interestingly, Google has ambitions for the temperature sensor, getting FDA approval to measure human skin temperatures. In our hands-on, there were moments of ambient temperature readings too, hinting at its versatility or perhaps just requiring a bit more finesse in handling. So, is this temperature sensor an innovative leap or just a fleeting gimmick? Remember, it's the same brand that once gave us the in-air gesture detection with built-in radar. Time will tell where this latest feature sits on the spectrum of Pixel's design journey. Let's dive into the display of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Rewind to the Pixel 7 Pro. One prominent Achilles heel was its screen brightness, or lack thereof. It simply didn't shine as bright as its counterparts, especially under the sun. But here comes the Pixel 8 Pro, looking to rewrite that narrative. The 6.7-inch Super ACTA display on the Pixel 8 Pro boasts resolutions of 1344 by 2992 and an impressive brightness level. On paper, it's rated to hit a whopping 1600 nits with HDR and an eyebrow-raising 2400 nits at peak brightness. When you stack these numbers against the Pixel 7 Pro's 927 nits, the advancements are clear. And if these claims hold water, it's inching ever closer to challenging the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 1550 nits benchmark. However, the real test? Taking it outside. I've personally grappled with the Pixel 7 Pro's display under direct sunlight, so I'm eager to see how this one fares. As for its towering 20:9 screen aspect ratio, single-handed use still eludes me. But during my limited interaction, the clarity and brightness were unmistakable. Watching a video, I was met with rich colors, expansive viewing angles, and the signature depth of black that OLED panels are renowned for. Navigating through Android 14, the experience felt seamless, thanks to the Super ACTA display's dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, delivering visuals as smooth as silk. An interesting tidbit, the refresh rate can toggle between 1 to 120 Hz, which is not just a visual treat, but also a nod to optimizing battery life. Venturing into the camera domain of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, it's evident Google isn't holding back. With a whopping 50-megapixel main camera, flanked by two equally staggering 48-megapixel lenses for both ultra-wide and telephoto functionalities, Google is clearly upping the ante. I'd venture a guess that the default shooting mode might be a binned 12-megapixel. Yet, with such a megapixel reservoir, we're on the brink of witnessing some groundbreaking pixel photography. To lay it out for you, main camera, 50 megapixels with an aperture of f1.68, ultra-wide, 48 megapixels at f1.95, telephoto, 48 megapixels with f2.8, and not to forget the front-facing 10 megapixel at f2.2. Although I haven't had the privilege of testing these lenses myself, the showcased macro capabilities left quite an impression. Achieving sharp, intricate detail from a mere 2cm distance, it's a game changer. Adding to the mix of the front camera's new autofocus feature. The revamped camera app now supports a fresh layout and grants access to a suite of professional tools. And it wouldn't be a Pixel without Google's signature AI touch, seamlessly enhancing photography. Enter the Magic Editor, a tool that allows users to rearrange subjects within photos while AI masterfully fills the gaps. Witnessing in action, a basketball shot was magically transformed into a dunk. Even misplaced shadows can be corrected. Similarly, the Best Take feature is nothing short of magic. Imagine shooting a series and having an AI sift through and create a perfect photo where everyone is beaming at the camera. It's futuristic and perhaps a tad surreal. On the video front, the Pixel 8 Pro can roll at 4K at a smooth 60 frames per second. Every frame undergoes Google's HDR treatment, promising exceptional low-light outputs. And if external noise hinders your video, the new Audio Eraser jumps in for the rescue. Overall, the Google Pixel 8 Pro's camera innovations are undeniably exciting. But is it positioned to be crowned as one of the best camera phones? We'll wait and see. Diving into battery specs of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, it's evident Google isn't skimping on power. Boasting a hefty 5,050 mAh capacity, this device stands tall among the giants of flagship phones when it comes to battery size. Though I've yet to put the battery through its paces, early predictions suggest some promising figures. Based on its specifications, the Pixel 8 Pro could potentially stretch from 24 to 27 hours on tasks like continuous video playback. For everyday mixed usage, I'm betting on ballparks close to 20 hours. The convenience doesn't stop at capacity. Both the 8 Pro and its sibling, the Pixel 8, come equipped with QI-compatible fast wireless charging and the nifty battery share feature. When it comes to traditional wired charging, Google has supercharged the Pixel 8 Pro with 30 watts fast charging capabilities. The Google Pixel 8 Pro appears to be a leap forward in the Pixel lineup. Pitted against heavyweights like Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, it might not reign supreme in raw performance. However, its camera prowess, paired with the groundbreaking AI enhancements, could very well be its unique selling point, setting it on a pedestal of its own. But is this enough to crown the Pixel 8 Pro as the new king of smartphones? We'll have a clearer picture after a deep dive into our comprehensive review. So don't go anywhere. Thank you for joining me in this preview of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. If you found this insight helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And remember to click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our full review and our take on how this phone stacks up against the competition. Catch you on the next one.